You've probably never been to the Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky, but you've probably heard about them. One thing you don't know is that they literally take over Louisville, the street rods, and this is where it starts. Mike Lenning's. It's a famous restaurant in Louisville where everyone goes when they want something really good to eat.
We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure. We specialize in showing you fun, inexpensive roadside attractions, great events and historic sites, with relevant information on some really cool places you might not have heard about.
It's a 1939 Citroen built in Paris, France. I got it from the Universal Studios. It's an old movie car.
Really? From what movie?
All the records are lost, so they can't tell me.
Oh, wow.
But if you actually watch the last, I lost it. But it was an old movie car. I bought it for $500. And
$500? How long ago did you buy it?
15 years ago, maybe 20 years ago.
$500? Mm-hmm. And it looks like this.
Well, it does now.
I love this license plate. Bebopalula. Oh man, and that is cool. Low slung and everything.
It's made out of leather.
It's leather. It's a leather bra. It's got a bra. Yeah, it's got a leather bra. That is hot. Get it? It's flame. Never mind.
They got their numbers up already on their windshield.
Yeah.
For the weekend.
All these cars are headed to the Street Rod Nationals. We're just getting them at their pre-show party. That's right, we got a special invite, and man, we jumped on it to get here before anyone else could, and to get you shots that no one else can get you. Oh, I like this. Here's something you don't see anymore. A Barracuda that looks like this. I think, what would that be, a 65, 66 maybe? I don't know, it's definitely in mint condition. Here's my jam. Oh, I love this. Caddy. Convertible. Oh my goodness. If you've never ridden in a Cadillac like that, you need to, because it is unlike anything else. And a 58 Chevy Bel Air in the meantime too. Wow. This is the place to be today. Hey hon, what do you say to a fixer-upper? Maybe we could do this?
Can we live in it?
Van life, here we come. After, you know, couple $1,000 or so of work, the man. This van's rocking. Okay, we know what. Yeah, okay. Oh man, needs some work, but it's cool. Weld her up. And though these aren't popular anymore, I still love them. Remember the GMC Jimmys? Top's gone, but it is nice. Truck with a back seat. Early SUV. 74 Nova. Guys, I wish you could be here and see all these up close and personal without fencing, with nothing. There you go.
That fan looks like a fan that you put in your window.
It kind of does. I think it's a modern upgrade fan though. I think it's an electric fan. Nice catch.
I like stuff like that.
We're gonna work really hard to find you guys some older, really cool cars, like maybe some Impalas, or, oh yeah, sure enough, why not? Corvairs. Anyone? Anyone? I know someone loves Corvairs out there. Wasn't a big fan of the rear engine then, but you know, it kind of catches up with you after a while. Look at that 57. Man, pretty darn fond of this one. Van life. Kind of line. Got the fuzzy dice. Tony, this is one cool looking van you got.
Thank you. Thank you. I have 3 of them actually.
Really?
I do. I have the window van and the pickup truck also. It's a 62. It's a 62 Econoline.
Okay, I'm curious. Are there any mysteries behind this van? Some stories with this van?
No, I mean, other than that, you know, it came way up in Indiana. I bought it, and I remember it was so far up in the hills that GPS wouldn't even work. I've had it about 7 years. It was in pretty rough shape. You know, hauled it back on a trailer, and just, you know, it's been recently painted and all fixed up. You know, gonna do some stuff on the inside next. I've had vans, you know, growing up with the fur and the shag.
That's what I did.
Yes, but you know, I had the, you know, they had the windows in them and the beds and the stereos and all that.
Yep.
And I'm thinking about doing that with this old thing.
We appreciate
Tony, thanks
it.
so much.
Thank you.
I could put this in my garage. I really could, very easily. Of course, if Vanessa would let me too, which would be kind of nice. Oh, I like this. We're wondering, where do we go? Where do we
There
go?
are so many cars. I'd love to know the count. It's its own car show right here.
Yeah, we're going to
tonight.
figure it out here. Hang on. Look at this. Look. Chevelle. Is this a Chevelle station wagon? Is that what they called it? No, it's a Nova. Early 60s. And this one has their rare commodity back then. Okay, I don't think I've seen this color on a Nomad before. You seen the color? Yellow?
No, but it really stands out with the sunlight hitting it.
Oh, I love yellow. I don't know, lately, past couple of years, I have really come to like yellow, and it's not school bus yellow, it's a really nice yellow. Wow, that is classy. What is this, a 68 Cougar? Could be a 69. A lot of these are marked for the show, but this one's not. Don't really know what year it is, but I know I'm close. This must be Camaro Row. Oh, the Camaro are over here. Okay, just 2 or 3. Like a rag top. No, but that's it. Out window in case you were a smoker. Old Crown Victoria, not a Crown Victoria, just a Victoria. Look at this. See this interior. Old crushed velvet looking. I don't think it's original crushed velvet. But it looks awfully good, doesn't it? Oh, that steering wheel. You know, this could have been a police car, unless this height's been added on. But that was big during this time with these spotlights for the police. We got a Porsche in here, right next to this. Ooh, look at this. 1600. A Porsche? I never, I guess, considered a Porsche as a street rod. Definitely a classic though. Nobody would say no to driving it. Very, very compact though. And that's what makes it go. Okay, here's another one of our jams right here. Chevy pickups. Oh man, running boards. Look at this, nice interior. Wow, nicely redone. We got as far as doing the bed. Oh, those wheels. And chrome. Back in the day, they wouldn't have chromed that because you would be using it. You would tear it up. But that looks so nice. we admit it, this 55 is one of our favorites. Love that Nomad look. And this color is so excellent. Wow. Look at that. Little, what is it, purple tinge to it? Oh, so sweet. What year is it?
78. This guy was selling it, had all his trophies in the back.
Oh, wow.
And for sale sign. And I was like, you know, let me look at it. And I did. And I was like, sold, buddy. You know, we didn't have the cash on us. I called my friend we were with. I was like, hey, I need $10,000. He's like, I got that in my watch pocket.
Sure.
But no, he didn't. So the guy agreed to just meet us during the week, that next week for the money.
Well, it's awesome.
Here's a little rock and roll seat, and you can pull it out and lay it down. And I did the upholstery on that.
Did you really?
Yeah.
So do y'all stay in when you ever go anywhere? You spend
We've only spent the night one time.
Turn it on.
Oh man, look at that. Okay, you're in love, aren't you?
I am. I want something like that.
I
It's just
know.
kind of like the whole hippie thing in me comes back.
This is for you T-Bird fans. And again, all these cars are going to be at the Street Rod Nationals. We can actually walk up to them right now. Something you won't be able to do at the Street Rod Nationals. Oh, look at that, 56. Straight ahead. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh. I haven't seen that much chrome. Wow. That is astronomical. It looks like dual quads. Oh man. Man, just try to keep this thing on the road. Just saying. Look at that pipe work. Man. I am literally in love. I thought it was a Nomad, but wow. Hun, you've got to help me. You got to help me. I'm falling in love every 20 minutes. I go around a bend, I think I found my true love. Wait. Oh, look at this. Talking about a beautiful paint job. Look at this. Yes, Impala, but you know what you never see anymore? A Vega. Look at that. And I bet it didn't have an aluminum engine in it. That was the downfall of these cars. They were so cool looking, but they had an aluminum engine, and you got them hot one time, boom, you were done. I almost got one as my first car. I'm glad I didn't.
77, you know, Vega.
Well, back in the day, they had the aluminum engine.
Yeah,
That
they
was
had
the
a little
downfall.
2.4 in them.
Okay. What's it got now?
It's got a 389 small block Chevy.
Wow.
You know, with a 350 turbo with a 9-inch Ford narrow rim, collider bar curved cage. You got studded rear. It's a pretty nice little car.
I'm just amazed you got the engine to fit.
You go in there, didn't you?
Okay, we have to get this one. Look, factory original paint, 21,000 miles, 61 Caddy, original paint. Look at this. Oh, that is cool. 24,000 miles. You want to ask him if it's for sale? I bet you don't. Okay, this is not like what we call a custom car, but it's what, a 91, 92 station wagon. Brings back a lot of memories for Vanessa. That was a family car at one time.
It was. You know, it was back when you didn't have to wear seatbelts.
Yeah.
So we were a family of 6.
Yeah.
Mom and Dad in the front seat.
Tripping on down to Florida, right?
We'd lay the back seats down. You'd have everything. They'd slide in a mattress. I know you all out there did this.
And that's why it's so special to us. That's why we had to get it on film, because who knows how long this car's gonna be around. And next to it, I kind of want one of these. Back in the day, these boat cars, just because they were comfortable, and I had a thing about big old 2-door cars. think it's an LTD. I'm thinking. Yep. Look at this. Oh, wow. This was worth the trip out here just to see this happening. And a bicycle. I guess it's in case either one of them breaks down. No. I should ask them, I guess. That is class. Nice Trans Am. Smoky. So it's your dad's car?
Yes.
Okay, fill us in on it.
It's a 47 Ford. It has a 50 Cadillac grille that's been cut down 4 inches on each side. It's got a Chevrolet motor. It's got a full chrome Jag rear end, and it's got all the interior out of the Cadillac inside. So it has power seats, air conditioning, everything.
There's only one thing you forgot. It's cool.
It's cool. That's right, yeah.
You gotta help me. You gotta help me. I'm falling in love every 20 minutes. I go around a bend. I think I found my true love. Wait. Oh, look at this. What's something about this car you want everyone to know?
Well, this car was the first Superfarmance car that was ever built that came into the U.S. They built 25 prototypes, and this particular car is 23 out of 25. There's 10 of them left in the world.
Really?
And this is the only one in the U.S. The other 9 are in Europe.
I guess the next most important question would be, you want to sell it?
No, it's not for sale.
If you enjoyed our trip to the Street Rod Nationals kickoff party, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel.
So how does it look for the Street Rod Nationals when forecasters are calling for nothing but rain the entire weekend there in Louisville? Make sure you click the notification bell when you subscribe so you know when we post that video.
And remember, adventure is as close as the next offering.
Oh, hey, you got any whiskey in these barrels? It's chocolatey delicious, because it goes so good with a chocolatey delicious moon pie. You know, it's really none of your business what's in these barrels, so get some business of your own and get out of here.